Over 2 years of subtle friction is now cracking out in the open. DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaia's Cold War has flared up yet again. This time, it's over the transfer of key engineers from the Water Resources Department that comes under DK Shivkumar. That's now triggered fresh tensions between Karnataka's Chief Minister and its deputy. News 9 has accessed a strongly worded letter written by DK Shivkumar to Chief Secretary Shalini Rajneesh, where he's lashed out at the transfers that have been issued without his knowledge or nod. Basically, transfers on the suggestion of the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah. DK says this violates the cabinet understanding that no transfer within his department should happen without his explicit approval. He's demanded that the orders be rolled back immediately, warning that his department is now being left hollow, with engineers frequently shifted out to other wings like PWD and Zilla Panchayat, even as flagship projects like the Miravari hang currently in balance. Basically, words that he's put out in his letter. Let's listen in what he said.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ತಗೋಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ತಗೋಬಿಟ್ಟು PWD ಹೋಗೋದು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಹೊರಟೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಗಳು ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ರಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಸದ್ಯ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ MLAಗಳಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವನೊಬ್ಬನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ PWD ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇನ್ನು ಟೌನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ಆಯ್ಕಟ್ಟು ಜಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀರಾವರಿಗೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಗಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ರಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
All right, now we're looking at DK Shivkumar at this point, very livid, angry that transfers have happened without his permission. He insists that senior level clearances cannot bypass the concerned minister. There's been no word yet coming from the Chief Secretary or the CM Siddaramaiah on this issue. This isn't the first flashpoint. From budget allocations to cabinet portfolios and key board appointments, DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah have been locking horns for the last few months. This latest episode, though, may just force a more public recalibration between the two power centers of Karnataka Congress. Now, also looming large is the big question of succession. Congress is halfway through its term. DK Shivkumar has already urged the High Command to make him the Chief Minister in the second half. This latest showdown could well be part of that pressure play. The ball's now in the Chief Minister's court. Will he roll back the transfers or risk letting this rift deepen further? We're going to wait and watch.